do it. We don't want to, but we're gonna have to. This has gotta happen.
Take down the tray.
Yep, we gotta take it down. You definitely...
That's so sad, isn't that so sad? Plug it back up. Okay.
Yeah.
Happy, sad, happy, sad, happy.
Sad. Happy, sad.
Why is it so hard to find the end?
It's hard to get lights off a Christmas tree. So sometimes folks just say, we'll buy new ones next year. We know people that way.
That tree
I still don't see
tree
the end. Do you? Here's the end. Is that an end to
Oh,
it?
we have found
okay.
the end.
That end, anyway. Now, we need to take down all the big lights first, because I remember me and Sissy put those on last. So they're going to be in front of the little lights everywhere.
It won't be long, we'll be putting them back up.
I know.
Here's an end.
Oh, good.
Sissy, you're an expert on this.
She is. Usually it's just me and Sissy that put the lights on the tree.
Next year, I'm putting the lights
Good.
This is just one of those things, everybody. You have to let it go. Can't try to keep it Christmas all year round. No, it won't be the same. You gotta wait till September. Start it back up.
Still smells good.
Yeah.
Yeah, it does.
Somebody said that goats love to eat Christmas trees. You know anybody with a goat?
Goats on the roof.
Goats eat about anything. Thank you.
That's the end. Somehow I don't get the happy, jolly feeling I got when it was going in.
Why? Don't keep it right there now.
It looks like the Grinch fell apart. The right foot that I was going to say like one of these kids.
I almost did a Home Alone thing when I come down them steps just a second ago.
Oh, can you do it again? We didn't see
Could
it.
have been video and that we could have won a lot of money if it could have happened. My feet could have went up over my head and I landed on my back. America would have laughed at that.
We're rearranging. And guess what? It wasn't my idea for the first time in 23 years.
I did it.
He wants to move the desk over there. I think the TV would look good over there.
1, 2, 3.
Oh, that's where that lemon went.
I have been looking for this for years. This lemon right here and this magic marker. This makes me extremely...
Mama.
It's even got a little bit of hair.
Oh my goodness.
The dust. We're not gonna eat this lemon, everybody.
Oh, that's where that wrapping paper went.
Tyler, come on, let's go. Mama's not liking it.
I'm not liking
Come
it.
on.
You know what I'm thinking?
I think it looks
I'm thinking the couch needs to be right there.
I'm thinking that little desk
Wait,
needs to be
no,
beside the
let's-
TV right there.
That's not.
That's
Well, Mama, you the one
Let's
wanted
look
the
at that. I don't want you to
TV.
do-
You wanted the TV right here, baby. I wanted to put the love seat right there. And you was the one saying that the TV would look good right here.
I think we didn't put that little desk right there. I think we need to put the TV on the desk.
I think the desk needs to go.
I think we need to mount the TV.
And the couch over there.
Taking it down.
Like, if you want to sit down and watch TV.
Me.
Yeah. have to sit like this.
Yeah, the couch.
Well, that's just the way it's gonna have to be. I mean,
Look,
if
I
people
think-
come in and wanna watch something, I'm gonna have to tell them they're gonna have to.
Hey, we can
If they
just
need
sit
any
right
chiropractic, like if they need
here.
any chiropractic adjustments, they need to go before they come to my house, because if you have a harder time looking to your left, you won't be able to watch my TV.
Yeah.
What's the difference in looking to the right versus to the left?
It feels like it's closer to. It feels like
Can we
it's.
just?
They don't need glasses if they come
Here's
here.
what I know. Here's what I think. Here's
We
what I
need
think.
to
I'll put the show on.
We need to
As long as they can look hard left, I can. They won't
I
need-
think we need to put maybe the love seat needs to go there.
I think we need to have a TV.
And the couch. Right there. I don't think people would mind at all to look to the left to see my TV. Look, let's go ahead and put it right here so Mom can get the idea. She panics every time it's time to
Oh no,
rearrange.
look good splash.
Put this thing just like this.
Yeah, you can. And then moving lights.
Now, the people, if they did need adjustments where they couldn't look to the left, they can sit right here, and I'll ask the people that was here, if you can look to the left, then you sit on my couch. In other
What
words,
about
the
these people?
y'all go line up over here and come in. I'm gonna show y'all something. I won't show y'all something. Y'all go over there, everybody come in a line. Are you more comfortable looking to the right or the left? Turn your head to the right. Don't move your shoulders, sir. Turn on you, now go to left. You're gonna be more of a couch person. Left and right. Left. Okay, you're a couch person too.
Left.
Well, just turn your head. You're a couch person too, I can see.
Go ahead. It's your turn. Go ahead.
Look to the left. Look to the right. You are a couch person too. Ma'am, I'm sorry, but the best I'm gonna be able to do is I'm gonna have you get set Indian style right here. Most people's gonna need to sit on our couch.
What's happened was the TV and the fireplace were the focus and they were together, and now we've separated them.
Now, you have to be like fire. Woo. Waltons. Old time, yeah. Woo. Mama, this is why we're gonna have to leave it until we learn to like it. I've just got an idea.
This is the best ever.
This is the best we've ever had this living room. We really like this. I'm right here in my comfort place.
Right, we decided the TV wouldn't fit in
The
there.
TV didn't
I
go
mean,
in
it
here.
fit, but it didn't fit where we could put everything else.
The TV wanted to be here.
Right, that's where it went.
So, our neighbor has stopped by to go eat with us.
Yeah, Kenny, he's out there
His
helping
mama,
Tyler.
His mama used to decorate what he
His
was
no, his
telling us.
mama's mama
Oh, his
grandma, yeah.
Okay, his grandma.
was an interior decorator.
So he told us to put these books right here, and he was spot on.
That was a good idea.
Look at that. I mean, this brought a whole
Now,
different feel.
Kenny's mama's the one who gave us the camel saddle that's what we use for our firewood. We're gonna take the bear
Yeah,
picture.
we're going to do that bear
Over there,
right
yeah.
Here. So
Yeah, I really love it.
it really feels.
Oh, and the couch is right here. We still have to put up all the Christmas stuff.
We still got a good bit of snow.
It's the next morning, y'all. Sunday morning. They canceled church services around here because some of the back roads are still really icy. Most of the back roads, actually, I'm pretty sure around us are still pretty icy. The main roads are good. Titus and the boys are out riding horses. They want to go ride out there. I want to stay inside and bake a cake, so that's what we're gonna do. Manly's in here with me, he just wants to watch cartoons. This is a vintage cake called a hot milk cake. I'm pretty sure one of y'all asked me the other day if I would make one or if I ever have made one. So we're gonna make one today. I'm pretty sure I have made this before. I couldn't find a video on it, but I'm pretty sure I did. Maybe I'm thinking about the buttermilk cake though. Or maybe it was a hot milk pie. Have we ever made a hot milk pie? I feel like I've made some type of hot milk something, but today we're making the cake. I'm getting this 9x13 casserole dish ready. I've got the oven preheating to 350. All right, we got this ready. We'll just sit it over to the side, and I'm gonna grab a bowl. In here, we're gonna put 2 cups and 1/4 of a cup of all-purpose flour and some baking powder. We need 2 teaspoons and 1/4 teaspoon. We'll whisk this together and then just sit this to the side. Now we'll come over here to the KitchenAid. We're going to put in 4 eggs. And they need to be room temperature, so I'm going to grab some that we just got out of the coop yesterday and wash those off real quick. Eggs going in, and we're going to beat these for 5 minutes. Alright, 5 minutes is up on the eggs. I have a few more things to add to that, but I'm going to go ahead and start the milk mixture here. So I had 1 cup and 1/4 cup of milk in there. Now we're going to cut up 10 tablespoons of butter and put in here with the milk. I've got it on medium. And we're just going to let this milk and butter cook until the butter is melted. I'm actually going to turn it down just a little bit lower than medium. We'll just cut the butter into some smaller pieces. Over here with the eggs, we're going to put in 2 cups of sugar. Mix that in. See how the eggs got nice and frothy? That's what you want. Now we just let that mix in. And we're going to add a teaspoon of vanilla. Alright, now we're going to add the flour mixture in just a little bit at a time. So I'll just let it keep mixing as I add it in. And our butter is almost completely melted back here, so it's almost ready. I'm going to pour the milk and butter mixture into my measuring cup here, so it'll be easy for me to pour it into the batter over here. Okay, we just got this on low, and I'm going to slowly add in the hot milk mixture. Now you can make different toppings for these hot milk cakes. You could add cocoa powder and make it a chocolate one. This is just the basic vintage hot milk cake. It's going in the oven.
What I'm doing over here is thawing a piece of fish, and I'm fixing to make some, me and Jonah's fixing to make some of our oyster stew, and we're going to put some fish in it.
We're just going to sprinkle a little bit of powdered sugar over the top of the milk cake.
That's really good.
Really fluffy, right? That would make a good cake for a strawberry shortcake, wouldn't it?